Jai Ho students, welcome to SKCBS's DG Vidya class session foundation course for the class 8 and 9th standard. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about addition of like fractions and addition of unlike fractions. So now let us take subtraction, another basic operation, that is subtraction of like fractions. So addition over, now we have to come to subtraction. Yeah, subtraction of like fractions. So like fractions, we know that they all are having the same denominator, common denominator. Then we can say those fractions are like fractions. Yeah. Okay. So here, suppose if they give two like fractions and if they ask to find the difference between given two like fractions, how to find the difference? So for that we have to use one common formula, one general formula. What is that general formula? Look at the board. That is difference. We are finding difference of like fractions. Difference of like fractions is equals to. So here as we know that in like fractions, all fractions are having the common denominator, same denominator. So we have to write the same denominator. That is common denominator we can write. And here that is the difference of numerators. So if we use this formula, that is general formula, to find the difference of like fractions, that is equals to difference of numerators divided by denominator. Whatever the common denominator will be there, no? Same denominator we need to keep as it is. Okay? So shall we take some examples? Okay. So take the examples. First example is find the difference. Question how they ask? Find the difference. Find the difference of 7 by 13 and 2 by 13. 7 by 13 and 2 by 13. Here, first we should see that whether the given fractions are like or unlike. So what type of fractions leads to? Like fractions. Okay. So like fractions means write whatever the given fractions they have given. That is 7 by 13 is the first fraction. From this fraction we need to subtract. Another fraction, that is 2 by 13. 2 by 13. So what common formula we have to apply for this? This is what? The difference between two like fractions, that is 7 by 13 minus 2 by 13. So what general formula we have to use? That is difference of numerators divided by denominator. What denominator we have in both the fractions? That is 13. So same common denominator we need to write at a denominator. Okay. Now the difference of numerators, that is numerators are 7 and 2. Difference, that is 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, the difference is 5. 5 by 30. So your answer is 5 by 30. So this is what we have to follow the formula to find the difference of given like fraction. Sometimes they give only 2. They can give different 2 or more than 2 fractions they give. When they give such type of fractions, how to find the difference? Let us take another second example. Second example, that is find the difference of, or you can see they can give direct question. How? Subtract the following like fractions. Subtract 15 by 11 from sum of 2 by 11 and 7 by 11. So here this question is totally different. Subtraction also they have given from the sum of this we have to subtract from the sum of 2 by 11 and 17 it is. That is 17 by 11. First what we have to do, if they give such type of questions, see my dear students, they won't ask the questions directly as we have solved in the first example. In competitive examinations, they mix the questions. Mix the questions in the sense they take only addition also, and subtraction also. So both the operations mix they give how to find the answer. So here what we have to do? Subtract 15 by 11 from the sum of 2 by 11 and 17 by 11. Sum of means we have to add these two fractions. From the sum, what answer we get, from that sum we have to subtract 15 by 11. So let us see how it is to be solved. Okay. So what is the question they have given? You need to understand first. Clear? So this we have to subtract from the sum. Then we have to write first these two fractions sum. That is 2 by 11 plus 17 by 11. That is second fraction is 17 by 11. 17 by 11. That is we have to find the sum. From this sum we have to subtract 15 by 11. So that is subtraction, negative sign. That is 15 by 11. Here we have to use addition property also, subtraction property also. Clear? Okay. So we know that these two fractions are like fractions. We know the general formula that how to add the like fractions. So here we have to keep as it is the denominator. That is 11. 11 is denominator, common denominator. Next, 2 plus 17. That is 2 plus 17. Minus 15 by 11. We have to keep as it is. 15 by 11. Then how to simplify this one? 2 plus 17, 19. 19 by 11. minus 15 by 11. Minus 15 by 11. Next, so here same, both the fractions are like fractions. They have same common denominator. So we have to give denominator as it is. And what we have to do? Difference of numerators. That is 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15. Then lastly we get the answer, that is 19 minus 15 is 4 divided by 11. So this will be your answer. Clear? So how they ask the questions in some competitive examination. So like this they ask. So carefully we have to solve. While solving, we have to keep in mind that whether the given fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions, whether they have given addition or subtraction, whether they have given both addition and subtraction. So these are all points we have to consider and we need to find the answer. Clear? That to correct answer. So we need to find the correct answer. Clear? So in the next class, so in next session we discuss about subtraction of unlike fractions. So till then, take care. Jai Hind.